After an intense craving for Kolkata Durga Puja, I landed from Delhi to Kolkata on the night of Mahapanchami. I spent the entire day of Mahashashtami scouring the North Kolkata Durga Pujas. And finally on the day of Mahasaptami, I decided to look around the South Kolkata Durga Pujas.
So we spoke to one of the organizers over here, and he said that this entire pandal is based on the remnants of a temple. So he pointed out that after a lot of reconstruction these days, most of the temples, they are falling or they are dilapidating, and they are based their theme on the fact that temples and heritage culture in India, or some of the heritage places in India, they are being demolished. There are many edifices in India that have been demolished or are just not maintained, due to which they have just dilapidated.
আমরা এইখানে পুজোর মাধ্যমে মেসেজ দিতে চেয়েছি যে আমরা সরকার তো যেরকম করছে আমরাও যদি চেষ্টা করি আমরা আমাদের স্থাপত্য মন্দিরকে আবার পুনঃপ্রতিষ্ঠিত করতে পারি।
Now we are headed to one of the most famous pandals in Kolkata, in South Kolkata to be specific, Deshpriya Park. And this is a place which gets enormously crowded. And looking at this entire street and the alleys and the roads, pavements, you can see people crowded everywhere. And that's what happens to Kolkata during the time of Pujo. It becomes a standstill. Everybody leaves their work and they just come and visit the pandals, like I am. I've left my work in Delhi and I'm now here to actually check out the pandals. Come on. We are entering this arena and you can see the level of crowd here. Oh, look at this. This is Deshpriya Park Durga Puja, and as you can see, they have themed it probably like a palace or something. I'm yet to find out. So let's come and find out. The queue seems excessively long though. This is a very palace themed pandal. Now that is an atypical Durga Puja idol. Oh, look at the lion. So this is Arsalan and this is Durga Puja, and I have come back to Kolkata after a long time, so without biryani and my mutton biryani, I'll not be able to survive. But there's a catch. Look at the crowd here, man. I mean, I do not know how long we'll have to wait to get our meal, but we are going to wait, and I am going to have my biryani today because that's not happening without it.
I can't speak anymore. Please let me eat my